Challenges, it was only, it was very challenging. It was extremely challenging because
You're asking about which scene?
the intimate scenes.
Oh, the intimate scenes.
It was
Okay.
extremely challenging.
Yeah, because it was all like technical.
It was extremely technical. Also,
Yeah.
it's a fine line. हमें वो we had to be very sure to make it classy and not vulgar.
Yeah.
तो वो बहुत फाइन लाइन होती है उसको
Yeah.
वल्गर दिखाने का और क्लासी दिखाने का. तो हमें हमारी पूरी कोशिश रही कि वो बहुत इज्जत से और क्लासी तरीके से शूट हुए.
Yeah.
तो वो बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था. एंड
I wouldn't say that is challenging. I don't think I can ever look vulgar.
no, as in not like that, as in terms of technicality.
I mean, Arif, our director, was very clear that, you know, it is part of the story and it is to show the crazy love that they have for each other, which any couple which is madly in love with each other will have, right? And that it will be shown in a beautiful manner, in a beautiful way, you know. And I had that faith in Amir, I'm saying in Arif that that it will be portrayed in a very classic. यार मेरा brain ना अभी कितने बजे है? Shut down now. It's shut down now. Battery अभी खत्म खलास. In a क्या बोलते हैं classy way. Classy way.
Jokes apart, जैसे like you were mentioning that everything you do will never look vulgar. That's not what I was trying to say. What I was trying to say was because requirement जो थी वो काफी passionate थी. उस relationship को establish करना उस intimate scenes में passion दिखाना बहुत जरूरी था. लेकिन वो passion vulgar नहीं हुए. वो बहुत बड़ी फाइन लाइन थी जिसपे हमने बहुत काम किया, बहुत वर्कशॉप्स किए, बहुत बातें की.
Well, I mean, they designed it for us and showed us like a choreography, basically. How it will
जैसे
be.
डांस कोरियोग्राफी होती है,
Yeah.
वैसी ही हुई.
Yes.
यहाँ आएगा, यहाँ से
With
यहाँ
full
जाएगा.
direction
Full
and
direction.
yeah. Honestly speaking, I have completed a lot of work, a lot of things the last 2 years. It's just a matter of kab release hoga. So it's just that. So I'm excited now कि चीज़ें अभी निकल रही है. And yeah, so I mean, वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? I've completed 2 full films. I have more songs lined up, and yeah, but it's just it's also that I have the patience to wait because I know what I have, and that should come out. Matlab, I'm not in a hurry to just sign something kuch bhi and just because that will release fast, you know. So it's just matlab kismat mein hai. क्या करूँ मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ इसका, you know. So yeah.